everyone, I'm Sunny. Today, let's take a look at how AI lighting can enhance the shopping experience in the tire stores, make it more accurate, easier, and immersive. Let's go. Have you ever picked a tire that just looked right in the store, but looked totally different at home? That can be really frustrating, right? Actually, the issue is lighting. Traditional lighting fixtures just can't show the true color and textures of tires, which leads to the customer disappointment, refund, and lost trust. Here we make a comparison. On the left is the traditional lighting, and on the right is our AI lighting. We can see they have a big difference, right? Our AI lighting can automatically detect the texture and color of tires, simulate sunlight effects, and output suitable spectrum to truly restore the color and details of each tire. And our AI system supports smart energy saving and commodity protection modes. Let's automatically brighten when customers come and dim when they leave. This not only prevents tires from fading or losing luster because of prolonged exposure to strong light, but also helps stores save almost 50% on electricity costs every year. Pretty surprising, right? And equipped with our smart space sensor to check customer flow and tire popularity in real time. According to this data, shop owner can optimize store layout and guide customer flow effectively to improve sales performance. So whether you focus on the color restoration, energy saving, and cost reduction, or optimize operations with data, CAIMETA AI Lighting System is ready to make a real difference for you. Now let's promote the upgrade of tire retail together.